Download your favorite image files from the internet, making sure to use only images with free copyright download. If you have good drawing skills, I suggest you design your subjects yourself. You will give your collection a more personal touch. Cut out your subjects, leaving a small margin of safety. Mark the dimensions of your subjects on the graphics chipboard and cut them out. When you have all your cardboard shapes in hand, use them as a guide to cut out foam pieces of the same size. Before proceeding, brown the edges of the cardboard. Now, draw your frame on the foam, cutting out the inner perimeter with a very sharp cutter. Finally, draw the corners and the wood grain with a pen. Check out my tutorial number 4. Color the frame and, when it's dry, glue the figurine to the base and then the frame to the drawing. While everything is drying, do not forget to spread some glue on the other side to prevent the cardboard from bending. In the end, complete everything with a dry brush. I used a warm gray. I hope you have found this short video useful. See you soon, my little painters!
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!